Hello guys! Today I've got the XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro and I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi dropping in this device. So, actually the first thing that we need to do is to open the settings. Open here Wi-Fi, and once you're connected to any network that you have here on the list, you need to open here this arrow. Not sure. Wait a moment. Here it works. This arrow button. Here scroll all the way down. Forget network. Okay. Select this network back again. And try to connect to this same network back again. This should work for you. If it doesn't work for you, you need to restart the router. Apart from that, toggle the Wi-Fi off and toggle the Wi-Fi on back again, and everything should be fine. Apart from that, you can try to disable the Wi-Fi 7 on your router and reconnect on Wi-Fi 6 or even 5. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.